Okay, sigurado ako nandito ako sa video na to kasi gusto mong malaman kung paano tanggalin yung mga dust sa sensor mo kasi nagkakause siya ng mga specs sa mga videos mo and it's super distracting to your audience pag gumagawa ka ng video meron kang may mga specs sa around your clip and it's super distracting. So, paano mo nga ba tatanggalin yung mga dust sa sensor mo Darren? So, malalaman natin lahat yan right after the intro. Okay. So, ano nga ba kailangan mong gawin para malinis mo na yung camera sensor mo and matanggal mo na yung mga distracting dust specs sa mga videos mo kasi sobrang distracting niya pagka nanonood yung mga audience mo. So, the only thing that you need to get is basically a camera cleaning kit. So, hindi mo kailangan ng mga fancy cleaning kit. Kailangan mo lang ng budget ones kasi it will always do the job of a professional cleaning kit of a camera. Okay, so bago tayo maglinis ng isang camera sensor, laging niyong tatandaan na pang camera lang yung gagamitin yung cleaning kit na yan kasi pag ginamit mo yan sa iba, mas lalong madudumihan yung sensor mo. So, use it for your camera only. So, Darren, ano ba yung mga cleaning kit na sinasabi mo na yan? So, basically, the first thing is the brush pen, dust removal, air blower, and a piece of clean cloth. So the first thing that you need to do is remove your lens and go get your brush pen and you will clean around your sensor. And once you're done cleaning around your sensor, you will get your air compressor and you will point your camera sensor downwards and you will blow some air to your sensor. Once you're done blowing some air to your sensor, you will get this part of your brush pen, which is the dust removal, and you will dab it gently to your sensor. Okay, once you're done removing the dust around your sensor or from your sensor, go put your camera from the side and get your lens and do the same thing. Now, once you're done cleaning your camera, just put it back and you are done. Okay, so once you're done cleaning your camera sensor manually, you need to clean your sensor again in camera. So, Darren, paano ko gagawin yon? Paano ko malilinis yung camera sensor ko in camera? So, gagawin mo lang is, go to your menu and go down to the part where it says sensor cleaning. So basically, it will shake your sensor to remove all the dust, but it works differently with different brands of your camera or different brands ng camera. So, yun. So, basically, yung gagawin mo lang is click OK or press OK and OK again and your sensor is finally clean. So, ganun lang kadali maglinis ng camera sensor. Basta, lagi mo lang tatandaan na be gentle with your sensor. Kasi, hindi siya yung parang something na pag press down mo para matanggal yung dust, sobrang diin dapat para matanggal yung dust. So, be gentle when you're cleaning your camera sensor. So, baka bumalik ka kasi dito sa video na to and mag-comment ka, sabihin mo, Darren, nasira yung camera sensor ko kasi sabi mo ganito yung gagawin. So, tatandaan mo lang talaga na be gentle and don't be harsh with your sensor, okay? Ulit-ulitin ko yun. Basta be gentle, okay? So, kung may natutunan ka dito sa video na to, please consider hitting that red subscribe button with the post notification bell on para ma-notify ka kung kailan ako mag-upload, para hindi mo ma-miss out yung mga cool episodes ko sa isang series ko dito sa channel na to. So check the series here. Yan yung series na yan. Check mo yan kasi matututunan mo kung paano makakuha ng cinematic vlogs and other kind of things. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So peace.